Welcome back to Cooking Explorer. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make broken glass jelly pudding. Let's go for the video. We need flavored jelly. I have used 3 colors: mixed fruit, strawberry and apple flavor. At first, let's make all 3 color jelly and let it set. Jelly takes 30 minutes to set. After 30 minutes, we'll make the curd mix. So that I have taken 1 liter curd, and I'm going to add 250 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. It's time to mix. Take 3 tablespoons of gelatin and double boil it. Let's add to the curd mix. Curd mix almost ready now. Now we can add pieces of jelly and let's give a nice fold. Almost done. Let's pour this mixture into a tray and let it set around 1 hour in a refrigerator. It's so yummy. A blend of flavor and the sour taste. Yum! Hope you guys enjoy my video today. If you like my video, don't forget to give a thumb up, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.